Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Okay, today's task is from Show and Tell Literacy Workbook B. Okay, you guys have to open page number 55, and what you all have to do is choose 6 words and write. Okay, how many words are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's a space for 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's read the words. Read the words and select 6 of them. Okay. Book, book. Cook. Foot. Good. Hood. Hook. Look. The word. Wool. You all know this is short oo sound, right? All the words are giving short oo sound, so we have to select any 6. You can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6, or any whatever you like. Okay, so and we're going to touch the lines properly, and I'm writing the first one is book, then I'll write cook, then I'll come back here, and then I want to write wool. Wool. Okay, foot, and last one I want to write good. Okay, so let's write good. It's up to you. Okay, you can select any 6 words. Okay, take care, see you all, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.